Petra. Pyro's fire. Petra good. Petra. Pyro's fire. Petrified. Petra.
Come on back.
I was hearing the TV.
No, come on. That doesn't make any sense. Come on.
Come on.
We haven't even started, bro. We haven't even got to that. There you go.
Rocky, look it. There's another one.
Are you gonna be mad if it's paved the whole way?
I know it's not.
No, I'm saying, do you want it to be or do you not want it to be?
It's not, but I've looked
You're
up easy
asking
trails. I
that.
looked up easy ones. No,
I'm saying,
I'm
do you
gonna
want
do
it
that.
to be paved or do you not want it to be paved?
Probably
Hi.
even hike, not just we walk through the desert. It's a hike. We'll hike. It's definitely a little bit harder.
I'm just asking you.
But I did look up easy ones.
I'm not asking if it is. I'm not even
Not even
saying,
that, not even
do
that.
you like this or would you rather it
I'm
not
chill.
be paved?
I'm chill. We're just getting our steps in. It's a nice overcast day. Really pretty desert.
So you
That's
like that
hot.
it's paved better?
It's fine right now. It's fine. It's fine by me. I'm not mad. You're hiking?
I wonder if you can just go off-road. Bear,
Is it cactus?
do you want to go off the road? Should we just go up the road and hike the top of the mountain?
I'm going off-road because my mom made me put my boots on. So that means I'm going off-road because my mom put me in boots and I don't have to go off-road now. Look, Mama.
You do?
Look. I see a movie.
Like benches every 20 feet?
It's not a fun.
So you need a break every 20 feet on this paved sidewalk through the desert.
People just want to sit and take it in.
Huh?
People just want to sit and take it in.
Yeah.
Or maybe like older people that want the sidewalk and
Sure. Safer.
feel like they're in nature but not too strenuous.
How do they keep the sidewalk so clean? I mean, they're out here with a blower every week, every day, blowing all the leaves and rocks off.
That's what that $10 parking fee is covering. Landscapers.
Me?
Making noises like he did. Did you? Not. You? think the setting, I put it on the narrow because the wide one seemed too wide, but I think you might need the wide seat setting.
Calling him fat?
Does this look ergonomic or too
Fine.
narrow?
I don't know, it's fine. Is he complaining?
I don't know, he's like, so he's like pooping, or he's not comfortable.
Well, you're bouncing him.
I think it's time to go off trail.
No. It's paved. I want my $10 back. Look how dirty that sidewalk is.
Yeah, probably horse poop. Horse poop? Papa taught me the difference between horse poop and dog poop, so that's definitely horse poop.
What's the difference? Was it one saltier or what?
Well, I tasted the horse poop one time,
You
and
did not.
it was a little saltier than the dog poop, and it smelled different.
You're so disgustingly weird, bro.
And it had a different texture.
Bradley.
The horse one was bigger. Oh. Okay, then. Warning, what?
Warning. Aliens are present on this mountain. What? There's aliens here? Enter at your own risk. If you see aliens, please contact the local land manager, Arizona State Parks at 602-542. Alright. Bradley will. They said if you see them, because they're known to be here, but this doesn't mean that they are here.
You know what aliens are.
What? Illegal aliens from Mexico, bro.
Yeah.
Not from outer space. Illegal aliens, like people from another country. That's what they call illegal aliens. Oh, I one time saw a video that said monkeys come out of your butt. Bear's butt when he sleeps. Is that true? Because I saw a video of it.
Oh, what?
Is that true?
Wow.
Huh? Is it true? Because I saw a video of it.
Which way?
Black Rock.
How you doing?
Hi.
There's the second trail you can do if you go up for it.
Where?
Black Rock, yeah.
This is closed.
Ah,
Doesn't show that on the map either, by the way.
huh.
Doesn't even show that it's a thing on the map.
Close?
That area's closed.
Or do you you go down that way. It's right there.
That doesn't take you to the waterfall.
Oh, it's Black Rock Trail.
I see.
The second trail I'm telling you about if you feel up for hiking more.
Huh. It's not on your map. Wonder why. Come on.
No, it's a different trail.
Why is that one not on your mappity map that they gave you?
Why carry the stack? Why carry the backpack? Oh.
The whole point about hiking is to make whatever you have to carry as light as possible, dude. So I don't know why you even brought a backpack.
Hi.
Riley, who are you talking to? Okay, hold on.
Granny, watch out for aliens.
Illegal aliens.
Yeah.
Not space aliens, goof.
Where the sidewalk ends, babe. There it is.
As far as we go, it's the end, huh? That wasn't a bad hike. That was pretty good. Not too bad, right? back now? You ready to go back now, babe? Inhabit the area. Hey, come here, get back. Get away from the snake hole, bro. You trying to get attacked by a snake? Huh? Where are we at? Buddy, you done? Let's go find fun. Come on. Pedro. Pedro. Go ahead. Second cactus. Come on. How's it going? Big word for a 4-year-old. It's like a water pack and just hold my stuff. So.
Yeah. Well, you guys keep having fun.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. He's got it.
Where was he talking about with the pond? Lindsay? That guy's talking about going up.
I'm just following the trail.
Watch out for the edge. I bet that gets going pretty good in heavy rains, huh? That's why this is, I bet this is a time to come here after a heavy rain. And then you see the waterfall. Maybe. Not right now because there's no water running. In loving memory of someone. Don't go in there, please. Bradley. Don't go in there. Yeah, I'm saying don't go under. Don't go under the rock, is what I'm saying.
How do you know how old they are if they're just like
I don't know. Yeah. Careful. You okay? The steps? The stairs? Careful, dude. Bradley, stay here.
The day.
Bradley, stay here, please.
We know that we won't have.
Yeah.
I want to come back after it rains, though.
Right? Yeah. Gotta catch it just right.
Really cool. Okay.
All this is a waterfall.
You think those are real goats?
Where?
On the rocks.
Goats?
The drawings. Bear, are you serious? You're gonna hurt yourself, dude. Look at him trying to climb.
Get off, get off. What? You can do that yourself. Now, get at us. Okay, now I want to take a picture of this.
He just wants to climb everything. He's gonna get stung by something.
I'm going to take a picture.
Get over here, please. You're gonna get bit by something. That's where snakes sleep.
Where do I climb?
It says that's a closed area, not to go behind there, because there's venomous snakes back there. Ready? Come on. Where do I climb?
But where do I climb?
Bradley, petrified. Like petrified fossils in wood. Come on. Petroglyph. Stay with us, please, Bear. Please.
Oh, I love this baby.
Come on, let's go. Please get in front of me. Go. Thank you. Bradley, you don't need to run. That's how you face plant it. Now the sun's out, guns out. Told you it was gonna get hot, dude.
We need jackets.
The White Mountains. There, that's my joke of the day. You would need a jacket if we went to the White
I
Mountains.
never know when you're joking or serious. I can't tell.
You would need a jacket if we were at the White Mountains.
Yeah, freezing today. So what's the day been?
16.
Look at Heather.
Come on. 16, she comes up. Yeah, by the gate?
No, in that corner.
Huh? There's one that lives in between the house and the block wall where our gate is at the back.
Oh, really? There's always one in that
He always
corner,
scares
too.
me. I go to take
By
the
fire pit.
trash out at night and I go to put my hand on the thing and he moves every time at night.
Maybe it's
Snake. Oh, Mama, remember when I heard that? I thought that was a snake. I know I think it was
the baby.
Oh, Mama, is that what it was? I thought it was a snake, Mama. I think that's what it was.
Bear, you trying to catch snakes or what? Hey, watch your step, Bear. You don't need to run, dude. You're going to hurt your ankle. Okay? Just steady foot, Bear. Quit running. Bear, steady feet, please.
Yeah, you're right, bro. They probably must have lived in. I think Corey saw a snake in the side there, but I don't realize it.
Water?
Yeah, you probably heard them.
Covering their legs and their feet. I promise you.
Come on, Bear.
Promise you. Bear. Really?
Walk.
Why are you trying to do it again? What are you doing? You want to hurt yourself? I don't understand what you're doing. Right here.
Now my shoulders are gonna do all the work.
I don't know what that means. I think your legs are doing all the work. Your legs aren't doing all the work? Really? Brother. Aren't your legs? Hold on. Aren't your legs doing all the work? Come on, Bear. Don't touch it. You get infected. Come on. Don't touch it. Come on. Come on. Hold on. We'll get it. That's why I say don't run, and you gotta protect your legs, dude. Like every time you're running through here and like running downhill, and you're just asking to get tripped and fall on your face, okay? You gotta be sure-stepped, sure-footed, okay? Area closed, you are off trail, turn around. That's like the most adamant sign I saw yet. The other one's just like, area closed.
You're off trail.
Turn around now, do it now! You should put a picture of Jack Bauer on that thing. Do it now! Dang, I wish I had a sticker of Jack Bauer saying, do it now! I am gonna get those. I bet someone's made it. So I'm gonna find one, and if not, then I'm gonna make some, and then I'm gonna stick them on things, like that sign. I'm coming back. It's the first thing I'm sticking. I mean, if you think about it, you could go to town with that. Could be all kinds of things. Like any. They didn't say hi to you, did they? What's up, guys? How you doing?
Hi.
proud. They're proud people.
That's your brother.
What do you mean?
He loves that music.
He's what?
He's always blasting it.
The Mexican music?
Yeah.
At campsites? And in nature? I'll never forget when I was trying to take pictures of the trailer. And there's like literally no one 200 feet each side of me. You have to walk 200 feet to hit the next person. And these guys park 5 feet away from me. I'm like, what? Guys, I don't know. Do you think you know me? Like, what is happening right now?
Friendly.
I know, but I'm like, hey, do you guys mind? I'm trying to get pictures of this thing. Not to be rude, but
Did they care?
no, they moved. I'm just like, oh, that's where you must park because that guy's parked there or something. That's their, they're thinking like, oh, here's where we park. So they go start the parking lot or whatever. It's like, no, dude, anywhere, not right by me.
Start it, thinking it's gonna go out from there.
Yeah, like it's like a parking lot in a field for an event or something. Dude, we're at the lake.
I don't mind the song out there. But our steps in, it's the worst place is to get your steps in.
Clear water.
Yeah.
What?
Clear water.
Drank all my water. I didn't even drink any.
What did I do?
Can't even have video of it. Uh-oh. I want a refund. Here, trip on that and we'll pretend like you got, I'll videotape it.
Pretty desert.
Like, oh no, look at your knee. From the crack? You tripped on the crack in the sidewalk?
Good knee, Bear.
You tripped on the crack in the sidewalk?
It's not good anymore. We have 2 knee injuries.
Should I let him know?
What?
That there's a crack in the sidewalk and my son tripped on it. Look at his leg.
Yeah.
I want a refund.
Yeah.
Challenge accepted. I'll get $10 back.
Sidewalk damage? Yeah, no. It's
Challenge accepted. I'll get $10 back. You think?
Dad,
You think
can
I will?
put DraftKings on your little camera? That one?
What?
Can you put DraftKings on that?
Can I? What?
No, it doesn't have.
What are you saying? I don't understand what you're saying. Can I what?
Doesn't have
Can you bet on DraftKings on this
No.
camera?
No.
It's
Computer.
Like
No internet.
This is not a computer. This is a camera. You need a computer for that.
on the phone.
No, a phone is a computer that you hold in your hand. It's like a small laptop. Right? Desktop, laptop, tablet, phone. They're all computers, just different sizes.
TV.
Yeah. Yep. A TV's a computer with the internet.
I gotta feed the baby and get him out of the carrier so he can cool off. That is the Black Rock Trail if you wanted to do more.
No.
Maybe let the kids play at the playground for a minute and get something to eat.
We're gonna go somewhere to eat. I'm not eating that hot dog.
Okay. You wanna let them play the playground?
What's up, guys? How you doing?
Feed the baby?
I think the end of the sidewalk is like halfway, and then it's a pretty medium trail, medium difficulty trail.
Okay, because it's the first time, so.
Yeah.
They should be able to handle it.
Yeah. I mean, he was all right.
He just got.
He
one
fell because
injury.
he's running and acting like a
Oh, okay.
fool, but he would have been fine.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You too. Do not cross railing.
Really want to preserve it. Probably also don't want people falling into cactus.
Man, it got hot.
It did, and I know this one's I know, I feel like the baby. I'm thirsty.
Man, we should have been out here like just an hour earlier.
Yeah, I know. That's what I said tomorrow morning. I'll wake up for 2
Well, you got a plan. You told me at like 10 o'clock.
I was saying for tomorrow.
No, tomorrow We can do something else tomorrow.
I really want. There's a cool hike around Squirrel Mountain or Squirrel Lake. Tomorrow's gonna be even cooler than today, so it's gonna be good.
Well, I wanted to go up to Carefree Cave Creek area and hike around. Can we do that?
Sure.
There's waterfall hikes up there. Real water.
Let's go up to the donut tomorrow.
Real running water.
Let's go
It'd be
to
nice
the
to
donut
that we were
tomorrow.
gonna stay. Soak it up here. It's gonna be even cooler. Tomorrow is the day.
It's a 10-mile hike round trip though. Come on.
What?
Tomorrow.
Save your trip in.
Can we do that?
No.
This was 2.
We could do the hiking.
This was
baby
2.
backpack. He's
Look
kind
at
of
he's
little. He has
sleeping.
a front carry still.
This was
He-
2. It's just a
He's
little
too
more than
little
that.
to back carry until like probably 9 months.
This was 2. I could do.
Yeah, he's injured. They look like they can't even go on.
I'm sweaty.
There's horse poop. What?
Need a jacket then?
Hmm?
You need your jacket?
Wait.
No.
You still have water? Yeah, he just spit water at you.
At my leg?
From his mouth. Wait, do you still have water?
It's gone now. Your mom used it all on her leg. Huh? Here, hold my hand. You used it all on my leg. Bradley, get on the side of me, please. Bradley. How you doing?
Hi.
Hey. So, did you notice that?
What?
When you see an owner grab their dog close like that, that means it's probably not safe for little kids. Because she got that dog real close to her when she saw us walking by. And you gotta take note of those cues and then just kind of move to the side, okay? You understand?
Yeah. Especially
How you doing?
like a German Shepherd.
Well, I think that was like a, huh? Doberman Pinscher or maybe a Greyhound or something. I don't know.
No, that wasn't great.
Pretty skinny.
No, I think that was a German Shepherd.
And
Riley,
maybe a, no, it was a
more
Doberman Pinscher Greyhound mix. I forget what they're called.
It's a pincher because my mom had a mini pincher.
I
And
know.
my mom had a greyhound, so.
I know, but you could tell by his abdomen that it wasn't a total pincher. It was mixed with like a Greyhound. You saw his abdomen, his stomach, the way he's like that. I'll show you on this video because I have a video of it.
Is it like a common thing?
Yeah,
So they're like fast, but.
they're definitely a different body type than the just true Doberman Pinschers. But she grabbed the dog and like shortened up that leash and pulled him real close to her as we started getting close. And I asked Bradley to get behind me, and he stayed in the middle, like close to the dog. And I told him he needs to take cues when he sees an owner, like get the dog real close to him by
Especially
kids.
service dogs, they're
Come on.
very protective over their owner.
Do you understand? You gotta look. You gotta be aware of those things and understand that not all dogs are friendly for kids. Okay?
You guys can go play in the playground for me.
Come on.
Let's feed the baby. What do you want for
What?
lunch?
No, I gotta eat, babe.
What do you want for lunch? I gotta feed the baby because I'm dehydrated, so he's probably thirsty.
He's sleeping.
hey Mom, can we get a hot dog?
No, we're gonna go get some.
You've been walking. He's sleeping.
It's hot for him in here. He's getting super sweaty, and I need to nurse him. You have a nurse him, but
Well, I'm just saying.
Hey
I'm
babe,
super hungry.
hold the bag.
Bradley, no.
so's the baby. I want to get him a drink so he can dehydrate really hot. He's got pants on and he's in this carrier.
I'm tired of walking.
Bradley, we haven't even walked 2 miles.
Did you make me on a 10-mile walk?
Yeah. Hear these kids walk? We walked 3 up a mountain round trip the other day, and he
That's
cried.
way to do it.
He cried the whole way.
How shaded?
How you doing?
Hi.
Oh.
Hi. Hi.
He cried the whole way, babe.